my YouTube fans, it's Cass in here. I'm about to do a little thing with toothpaste, trying to clean your lights, see if it works. I hear, you know, my neighbor was telling me about this, plus he said he watched some video online and they clean the lights. So this is my car lights. It's a little bit on the foggy side inside. I don't know if it's inside or outside, but we're gonna give it a shot, see if it works. So let's do a test with toothpaste and see if it works. All right. Guys, it's feeling good. Feel like something's coming off there when I rub it here. So we'll see once we clean it off, wash it off a little bit, see how it works. See if that's, you know, really working. And I'm scrubbing it with a little sponge here, old dish sponge. See how it works. And scrub a little more in there. See if we can just do it in one shot. Maybe we get lucky and clean it in one shot. Or we'll see here. So I did a good amount of scrubbing here, and it looked like some stuff is coming off because you see that little murky brownish stuff is coming off. See here. Oh my, I think it's working, guys. We're in good condition. See here. All right. So guys, what I did with the toothpaste, I know baking soda is a good cleaning agent, so I add a little baking soda just for extra, and I think it also helps. But wow, look at it. That light is turning out nice, absolutely nice. Wow, it works. It works. So guys, toothpaste and baking soda. Add some baking soda in there because I know it's a good cleaning agent. And look at that, amazing. It looks great. It looks like a new light, man. So maybe I gotta wax it to keep it nice and shiny. Well, it looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other one because it looks like a new light. It'll pass inspection. Right, Chloe? Yeah. All right. Chloe's my camera lady today. And she's doing a good job holding it up over there. I hope she is because I haven't seen anything but anything. Guys, look at it. New light. On the cheap, man. Toothpaste and baking soda. On the cheap, seriously. That's pretty good. Okay, Chloe. I just want to thank you for watching my videos. And please send me a few likes, subscribe. And you guys take it easy. And have a great day. Thank you very much. All right, guys, here we go again. Light number 2. We did great on the first one. Light number 2 is actually worse than the first one. So, hey, if it works on the first one, it might work on the second one. So let's give it a try. All right, we didn't want to do part 2, but hey, why not? Let's work the video out as long as this thing is working pretty good. Look, man, I drive an okay car, but I like to save a lot of money, okay? Save at the same time, all right? So, not because you drive an expensive car, you gotta do expensive stuff every day, replace everything. Sometimes you gotta do a little, you know, handwork if you like handy stuff. I do. I see very, very wealthy people, you know, do a lot of handiwork every now and then. Nothing is wrong with that. It's fun, all right? So, enjoy yourself with this stuff. Sometimes you learn new things from people. I just saw a guy cleaning his stuff and I was asking a few questions and hey, I learned how to clean my own lights. And somebody else told him the same thing, how to do it. So you see how it is? We can learn from anybody almost, right? But look at this. It's already gorgeous, man. This will pass your inspection nice and easy, all right? Man,
it smells good.
It does smell good. You know what? Toothpaste and baking soda. I hope it doesn't have any after effect on my light. I'm gonna wax it later, shine it up, and maybe we'll make a quick clip of that one. So the car is happy now, cause well, guess what? The car can see. You know, it's like going to a doctor and clean your eyes and all that stuff. The eye doctor, optometrist, and get your eyes clean. This is how the car feels. The car is excited right now. Wow, I can see. There you go. Let's see if I get some water on here. I'm running out of water. Look at that. Look at that. It's clean, man. Wow. Alright guys, I'm just going to wipe the rest of it with a paper towel. I'm going to go get some more water and I'll come back at it when I get some wax. I'm going to go inside, get some wax and stuff. And look at that, man. I got new lights, man. Wow. Guys, as you see, thank you for watching my channel. I appreciate you. So enjoy the video. Tell a friend, tell somebody. Help somebody out who need help, right? So, because somebody helped me out by telling me this. Again, thanks Chloe for helping me out, and we're off. Alright guys, these are much cleaner than they were before, and I just, you know, I couldn't find my wax and stuff, but I cleaned them up a little more, and I think I'll do it slowly instead of go fast, but they're looking good, much better than what they were.
It looks good.
Alrighty.